Hello everyone, thank you for viewing this video. So this is a dashboard of COVID-19 status in India. So in news and in everywhere you'll be seeing a bulletin or a dashboard which will be showing a figure of total confirmed cases, cured and death cases that are reported till now. So I thought why not to make this type of dashboard in Tableau and let us learn how to make this type of dashboard. So this dashboard is mainly focuses on India. The total count till 28th March has increased to 873. The within which the cured cases has increased to 79. The death cases is 19. If you see the timeline, from January 30, the first case was reported in India, but it gradually increased to 873 in March 28th. So you can see within 2 months it spread all over India. If you can see the map there, all over India it has spread. So it is spreading in a very high rate. If you can see the map right beside the map, it is showing state wise the count of confirmed death and cured cases. Yes, the state wise count. And if we go with state West Bengal, within that 15 are confirmed cases reported and one is death case, and all are from Indian cases. And it started on March 18, the first case reported, and the last case was reported on March 28. So within 10 days it has been spread all over West Bengal. The highest reported state is Maharashtra with 180 reported cases, and cured among that is 25, 6 are dead. So among that 177 are confirmed foreign nationals and 3 are confirmed foreign national, and 177 is Indian national. And from March 9 the first case was reported, and total March 28 it has increased to 180. It is really a matter of concern. So yeah, if you can make this type of dashboard and can spread awareness, so it will be helpful. So let's start that how to make this type of dashboard. So yeah, we need to get the data set for making the our dashboard. We will Google COVID-19 dashboard and we'll visit this Kaggle website. So from here we'll get this COVID-19 data set. So yeah, this data set is updated by 28th of March by 9:57 p.m. IST. So when I'm making this video, it is 29th of March. So yeah, it is 12 hours outdated, but no issue. We will make our dashboard in such a manner that whenever we will be just updating the new data set, our whole dashboard will adopt accordingly with the data set. So we'll keep that part as dynamic. As we have not got any real-time data service, we will be using this manual method of updating the database. So from this COVID-19 CSV we will download. It is consisting of these columns: serial number, date, time, state, university, confirmed, national cases, confirmed, national cases. This is the data set we are downloading, and we will download it. We will store it in a path. While this process, they will ask for credentials and they will ask for login. We'll do the login part, download it and open your Tableau desktop. I am using Tableau public for it. Just connect text file that is in CSV file. Connect the selected file and connect. And yeah, the file is connected. Now we'll be creating dashboard on it. So what I will do in dashboard, each part will make sheets and will just incorporate in our dashboard. So first of all, I need to show you the data on which we are going to make the dashboard. So this is the data on which we are going to make the dashboard: date, state, university, delivered, confirmed, cured, death cases, reported, and it is according to the timestamp. Suppose for this date, these states were affected, and total confirmed cases was the summation of confirmed nationals and confirmed foreign nationals, the cured and death. So for 28th of March, if you see, these states were affected. This was the total number of confirmed cases. Summation of this 28th March cured cases, summation of all the 28th March death cases will give us the so we have to make a calculated field for calculating the total count. So total count is the calculated field. We will be summing up the confirmed foreign national plus the sum of confirmed Indian national, and yeah, the calculated field is created. We need to drag it to the text field, and we see the value is 6000, but this is not the actual value, as we have to make a filter of date of recent date, that is February 28, March 28, sorry. Yeah, now you can see the correct value, but this is not the right way, because when tomorrow we will get the updated data set, we will just replace the data set, but this dashboard will not getting updated, because here we have fixed value. So we have to give we need to create a calculator field that will fetch automatically the max date, feed it in the dataset, and filter it out. So we are getting this calculator field current date. So date is equal to fixed max date. So actually what is he saying, that max date from the date field will be calculated, and it will be compared to date, and it will giving the boolean type value. When the values will be true, that filter will be applied. So you can see, yes, it's working. So we will just formatting the text. Here we will give total confirmed cases, and we will right align it, and we will do somewhat of formatting. You can use your creative skill to just format the text whatever way you want to show that in. So 16, and I will do it in red so that it is more highlighted, and I will add text like affected of COVID-19. Yeah, I will make it font size as 8 to 8, and will make it to black. Yeah, now it's okay. I will remove the title, hide the title, and now we will work with tooltip. Tooltip is confirmed foreign national and Indian national number I also want to see. So yeah, now I will make it as red, and here total count, total confirmed cases. So yeah, the tooltip will look great. And I will go to text to make it to make the text bold, so that it is quite visible. Yeah, so now it's great. Yeah, so this total confirmed cases sheet is created. Now we'll move to cured case. So now we will be creating a sheet for cured cases, count of cured cases. So we will duplicate it so that our work gets a little bit easier. So it's processing. Yeah, in this we need to first make a calculated field which would calculate the count of the cured cases. So cured count. Yeah, in this we would be doing the summation of cured cases. Yeah, and okay, the calculator field has been created. We will drag and drop it over the total count. Automatically it will get the number. We'll remove the other things we don't require. We will now create a calculator field of cured percent so keyword underscore perc, and in this the keyword count divided by total count, that would need to be multiplied with 100. So this will be giving us the percentage, that percentage of keyword cases, and we'll drag and drop on the text mark. We need to just format the percentage, so format, and from there number custom, and decimal place is 1, and suffix that I need to see is percentage sign. Yeah, I've got that. Now we need to just format the text, so keyword cases, aggregate, I need to change the color, so green. Yeah, the percentage I need to bring it to the second line, I need to change the color to green. Oops, my mistake. So this need to be changed to of total. I think of total will be an great. Yeah, okay. As the text is okay, we'll be formatting the tooltip. We'll be removing these two, and we'll be editing the text total keyword cases, and we will be doing this to green. Okay, so yes, it's done. We'll duplicate this again. We will duplicate this for making a sheet of that cases, the count of that case and that case in percentage. So we'll be duplicating it. We'll be creating a calculated field, naming duplicate count, sorry, that count, sorry for that, sum, that's, yeah, so it will calculate the summation of that 28th of March, as the max date is that. We will drag and drop to the text toolkit to text mark, and it will update it. Now we will doing the that percent, so that count divided by total count into 100. Yeah, it will be calculating the that percentage. We will keep the calculator field over the text mark. Yes, now it's gonna, we will format it. We'll select the number custom, decimal place is 1, you can do it 0 also, or and suffix is percentage, and here this needs to be changed to that cases, aggregate needs to be changed, color changed, gray would be great. Yeah, gray, so this will be okay. Yeah, so changed, and if you want to change the tooltip, you can change. Yeah, moving forward, moving with the second part, we will be creating this sheet of confirmed COVID-19 from date to date, and we will be making this timeline, this whole timeline. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So first we will be doing the timeline part. So the timeline in column where I am placing the date, I want to say the date in month, day, year format. So I will right click it, I will going to move custom, and from there details, month, day, year. So this will be showing us the whole month, day, year format. And now I am wanting in row, I want to see the keyword there and total count of the cases. So in for that we are placing the measure name in the filters, and I am selecting only the keyword dates and total count. So that will give the filter, and I will drag the measure values to the rows. So now see, we will get a graph and we need to change it to a bar graph as we want a bar graph. So see, but bar graph in a single color, I want it to be in 3 colors. So I will drag the measure name in the color. So see, we are getting a graph in 3 colors: keyword for blue, orange for that, and total count for red. We need to edit the color. Keyword I need to show in green, that I need to show in gray, yeah, and total will be fine with red. I need to reverse the graph. I need to show the keyword cases and that cases at below. So what I will do, I will be going to analysis menu, stack maps off. So you will be seeing the graph has been reversed. And what I will do, I'm not able to see the that thing, that count. So I will just move the that cases to above. Now see, we are able to see the that count also in the graph, and it's visible now. So now I will be changing the tooltip option. I need to see the keyword count, I need to see the death count, I need to see the total count. So I will be dragging all the 3 things in the tooltip and need to change in tooltip. I will be removing this and I will be changing it to total confirm case. Yeah, I will change the color of it to red. I will change the total the text to total keyword cases, and will change the color to green, and I will change it to total that cases, and I will change it to gray. Yeah, nice. So yeah, we have got a beautiful timeline graph. It's very easy. We will remove all these titles. So hide title. Yeah, from here we need to uncheck the show header. For this, for removing this, what we need to do, no, actually we are selecting the individual. We need to remove this whole thing. No. I think we need to go to the date. Okay, in date, from there and to remove it. So from there we need to hide field level for column. Yeah, now it's gone. And to remove this below headers, so for that I will be going to this date pill, right click it, and we need to uncheck the show headers. So now you can see the graph is clear and you can see the whole thing very beautiful. We'll create one more sheet. First we'll rename it as a, you can rename it in any name. I will be renaming it to timeline. And now I will be creating this thing, this it will be showing the minimum and maximum date in the data set. So for this, what I will do, I will be creating a calculator. It will simply, it will show the cumulative value. So I will be writing this cumulative date, and here what I will do, I will get the minimum date, min date, and I will be making it to string so that I can add it up with string. So plus will concatenate it, plus will plus str max date. Okay, I need to drag it to the I need to drag it
to the text. Yeah. Now what I will write, confirmed COVID-19 cases. I will be formatting the text, making it red. So yeah, that's great. We'll be hiding this title and we'll be renaming this sheet. So yeah, we are good to move with the other part. So we will be moving with this graph, making state-wise graph, the count of cases provided. So yeah, we'll make a sheet. We will keep the state and union territory in rows. So we have got this states, and we will keep the as we want to see the total count, so we'll keep that. So nice, a bar graph we have got. Yeah, now I want to see this bar graph in colors according to the states. So what I will do, I will drag the state field to the colors. So we have got this state chart, and what I will do, I will sort this according to the from highest to lowest count. So right click on the state field, sort, and we will be sorting by field. So the field name is total count in descending order. Yeah, so now we can see a sorted order graph, a very beautiful graph. Yeah, and if possible you can remove the title and you can remove the headers from sidewise and the below headers, and you can see the count is arranged in descending order. So yes, moving forward with another graph now. But one thing I need to show here, for the current date, the count was showing in 1000. See, if I give the current count here, it will collapse to 1. If you see the count here, the count is showing correct, right? Because this is a timeline, this will be showing the count from Jan 30 to March 28. But if I'm keeping this filter, it will collapse to 1 bar. So no, here we don't want this filter, but we want the filter in the state graph, because in that case the number was showing different, but when we put this filter, now the numbers are shown in correct order. So moving forward, so now we'll be working on doing this map. So let's start. We'll start first creating a sheet. In that sheet we'll be adding this state and union territory. Add to sheet, it will automatically add the latitude, longitude, and it is showing a circle graph. So what we'll do, we'll want the circles and also the map graph. So what I will do, I want these circles to show to change according to the size in which the total count is there. So I will drag the total count to size, so you can see the effect that highly affected areas are shown in bigger circles and the lessly affected areas are shown in less smaller circles. And the count is wrong, so I need to add this current date filter, true, and now the count is correct. Now what I will do, I want the color needs to be changed to red. Now it is like very specific in visibility. Now what I will do, press Ctrl and then right click and press Ctrl, right click and place it here. You will be seeing two graphs available. For the second graph, what you will do, you just go to the remove this size thing and make it a map. You are seeing a whole map affected. Now I am changing the color to orange. What I'll do, I will make it as dual axis. So you are saying the circles are faded, so in order to correct it, what I will do, the colors are in red but it is not vibrant, like it has been faded. So what I'll do, I will select the first latitude pill. Actually that is the circle pill and the second pill is the map pill. So I will select the first latitude pill, trying something other way around, but yeah. So first I will transpose this. Okay, I will drag it and bring it at the second. So now see, the color are vibrant now and the count is also good. So yeah, we are, and now we will be working with tooltip. So keyword count, that count and the total count. And I will changing the color. And if you want, you can format texts. So yeah, moving forward with our next graph. Yeah, so we'll be moving with the pie chart there. Yeah, we'll try to make this pie chart where it will be showing the confirmed foreign nationals and Indian nationals. So what we'll do, we will be showing the confirmed nationals and Indian nationals. Yeah, these two. And what we'll do, that we'll placing the number of records in the row column, and again we'll be plotting this number of records. We're making it a pie chart. We'll keep the major name and filters and remove all, and as we want to see only the confirm foreign national and confirm Indian national, we'll check these two boxes and okay. We will keep the major names in column. No, remove it, keep it in first chart. Yeah, in major name, okay, first we'll keep the major values in angle, major name in color. Yeah, you can see the nice pie chart there, but the count is not correct, so we'll be keeping the current date filter over here true. Now the count is correct. Then select this second chart. First of all, we will reduce the size of it and we'll make the color as white, and we will merge it by making it dual axis by right clicking on one of the chart and making it dual axis. Right click, synchronize axis, will come in middle. We'll remove these headers, and yeah, that's over. Format the tooltip and the color if you want. Do the formatting thing if you want any. We'll remove the title from here. Okay, if you want and you can press Ctrl Alt B to increase the size of the pie chart. Now we have to make the dashboard. So for that we need to first select the device preview. So let it be default and make the and get this size, their minimum size, maximum size, and let it there be automatic. Yeah. So when we are previewing it, the whole screen is covered. Now we'll drag the total worksheet to the dashboard. We will uncheck the title mark. We'll align the position by going to the layout. The x-axis is 33 and we'll keep the y-axis to 33 at the top. We will rename the dashboard as COVID-19. After that we'll drag a text box. In that we will write the title for this dashboard, that is COVID-19 status in India. We'll drag and place it in the folder. We'll change the x coordinate as 33, y coordinate to 33 so that it gets aligned. I'm just checking the width of this dashboard so that it is visible by previewing it. I'll make the border so that it is visible. adjusting the width. So I have kept a fit of 1070. I will align all the sheets that I will be bringing to this dashboard in the same measure. Adjusting the height. The prosecuted cases sheet, and we will be aligning it. We will first border it so that we can see the and adjusting the x-axis so that it gets aligned. Brought it at case sheet to the dashboard. Just aligning the sheets. We will bringing this cumulative sheet to the dashboard. Just align it. Yeah. Make the title mark and check. We'll just make the size. Yeah. We'll make border out of it. We'll bring this timeline sheet to this dashboard, align it. So see, as I have selected automatic, so I'm not getting space. So for that, what I'm doing, I have to increase the height of this dashboard so that everything get adjusted. In automatic only I'm getting a limited space. I need to increase the height. So by going to size, by clicking to fix size, I'm increasing this width to 1300 and height to 1400. So yeah, everything got changed. I need to, but it seems that we have got enough space to incorporate all these sheets on this dashboard. I have to just resize everything. we have brought this state sheet in the dashboard. We have brought this map to the sheet. Remove the title. I'm just aligning these sheets, so if you want you can align it accordingly according to your choice. By going to this, I'm just unmarking the show header so that only I would be able to see the sheet, nothing else I want to see. Yeah, I'll just align things. Alignment, you can decide in which alignment you want to see the sheets in dashboard so that you can play around with it. We'll place the pie chart here. We can shift, control and B, which will increase the size of the pie chart. And here we don't want this line coming up, so we are going to format. There in headers I'm finding nothing. By making the colors white, no, it didn't work. I think in border, if I make the headers border as none, then So by going to the border, zero line none, the lines has been removed. I want to change the color of this pie chart. So for Indians, I need to use this orange. For foreign national blue. So yeah. So here I want to add a feature, filtering option. So use as a filter I will apply on state, and by going to dashboard in action you will be finding this filter edit. So you can see this state filter on select, it will be applied to all the sheets. So our whole dashboard is ready now. So I have made this whole thing in Tableau Public. So Tableau Public has a feature to save the dashboard in Tableau Public site. So I'm saving it there. So the saving is cancelled. Let me check once why it is cancelled. Yeah. So when I'm clicking to Maharashtra, yes, every filter is applied to all. So it's working fine. Dashboard is working fine. We'll try to save once more. I think that was a connectivity issue. For Tableau sign public, you have to sign in. To your individual account to publish a dashboard to Tableau public profile. So it is confirming to save. the workbook title is should be a COVID-19 status in India. Save. So I previously uploaded one dashboard, naming of the dashboard. It was asking to overwrite it. So yes. So you can see the public Tableau public website is opening, and this is my profile in Tableau workbook, and here my dashboard is getting uploaded, and this is the dashboard that we have created. So visit this my profile on Tableau public and interact with the dashboard. I will be sharing the link in the description below. Yeah, so yes, it was nice. Thank you for being patiently joined to us.